topic is plants.
Yes.
Can anybody tell what is a plant? Anybody? Yes, yes.
Plants give us oxygen.
Plants gives us oxygen. But what is a plant? Actual में plant होता क्या है? Anybody? Yes.
Plant is a thing which is helpful to us.
Plant is a thing which is helpful to us. That's correct. See, plant is also a living creature. Living being ही है. Why? Because it breathes. वो सांस लेता है. It can move its leaves also. ठीक है? It reproduces. How? आपको पता है? If we sow a seed or something, then it grows into a plant. And sometimes what happens? Plant की side में से उसकी seeds वगैरह गिर जाती हैं. Then again the plants are produced. So the topic is plants. Now, as we have different parts of our body, such as our head, ठीक है, stomach, hands, feet, ठीक है, हम यूज करते हैं ना to move our neck, to walk, we use our legs. In the same manner, a plant has many different parts. Okay, what does a plant have? Many different parts. Now, I'll be showing you a video of a plant जिसमें different parts of the plants are discussed. Listen carefully and I'll be asking questions from this video now. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Did you know that a plant is made up of parts just like our body? Just like our own body is made up of many parts. A plant too has a body made up of 4 main parts. It has some roots that grow into the soil and hold it firm on the ground. It also has a stem that grows from the ground above. It has some leaves that make all the food it needs to be strong. It also has some lovely flowers that smell sweet and strong. Just like our own body is made up of many parts, a plant too has a body made up of 4 main parts. Yes, all plants have roots, a stem, leaves and flowers.
Now, as already discussed, I have told you a plant has different parts, including what? See, it is a plant. ठीक है? अब in the same manner जैसे आपकी legs होते हैं to move, ठीक है? Now there are roots. Roots हैं. Roots are the parts of a plant which are under the ground, ठीक है? Which are not visible. ये क्या होते हैं? See, this is the soil, right? ये soil है, मिट्टी है, and this is the root. These are the roots. जड़ें होती हैं. Now, moving upward, next part is stem. What is this? Stem. Stem किस लिए helpful होता है? जैसे हमारा body है, हमारा spine होता है. It supports us to stand erect. ठीक है? हम ऐसे ना गिरे, ताकि हम stand erect. जैसे हमारा spine होता है, ऐसे ही stems किस लिए use होती हैं? Stems are the parts of the plant which helps them to stand erect. खड़े होने में उनकी help करते हैं ताकि वो इधर उधर ना गिरे. Now next comes leaves. Leaves, ठीक है? Leaves क्या होती हैं? They make food. Food बनाते हैं for the entire plants. Now next is flowers. आपने photosynthesis, which you learn in higher classes. Right now, just look at these parts: stem, roots, leaves, and flowers. One more part is there, which is fruit. Fruit होता है, that is also part of plant, पर plant पे ही तो लगता है. अब देखिए roots. अब ये roots क्या होते हैं? Roots का function क्या होता है? आप जो पानी देते हो plants में, where do you give the water? ऐसा तो नहीं है you climb up on the tree and you water the tree. ऐसा तो नहीं होता. What do? You water in the soil. Soil में आप water देते हैं. उसके बाद ये water कहाँ जाता है? Through the soil. Soil absorb करती है और उसके बाद ये water कहाँ जाता है? In the roots. Roots में चला गया. अब roots से ये water absorb किया कहाँ? यहाँ पर ऊपर, यहाँ से ऐसे ऐसे to different parts of the plants. Not just water, nutrients जो होते हैं soil के अंदर जो nutrients होते हैं ये भी same manner में ही upward movement में क्या हो जाते हैं? ये move करते हैं from the roots to other parts of the plants. Okay, again see.
Look at this rose plant here. These are its roots. They grow into the soil.
Under the soil.
This is the stem. It grows above the ground. In trees, the stem is woody and is called the trunk.
Now, आपने देखा होगा, we can see in some trees, in some plants, the stem is very thick and strong. Those plants are called trees. ऐसे plants जिनकी जो stem है, that is very strong and hard and thick. That is called tree. And इस stem को हम क्या बोल देंगे? Trunk. What do we call it? Trunk.
This is a leaf. Leaves can be of different shapes and sizes.
Now, आपने देखा होगा when you move to other places, some of you must have gone to Goa or some beachy areas. आपने देखे होंगे the leaves are of different shapes and sizes than in our region. हमारे region में जो leaves वगैरह हैं, plants हैं, trees हैं, they are different from the beachy areas. So we have different types of leaves, different shapes of leaves we have.
This is a flower. Flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors.
Now, flowers भी क्या होते हैं? We have a variety of flowers. कितने सारे तरीके के flowers we have seen. तो flowers भी क्या होते हैं? Of different shapes, colors and sizes. Clear?
Yes.
Now the parts of plant is clear.
Yes.
Now just tell me which part is this?
Flower.
It's a flower. This is a
Leaf.
These are
Root.
roots. Correct. Very good. And this is a
Fruit.
Okay, fine. So we have a worksheet here. We are provided with a picture of a plant. ठीक है, हमें plant की क्या दी हुई है? Picture दी हुई है, and we have to write the names. Now this is what? अभी क्या है? This is a flower. ठीक है? Now coming next, this is a leaf. पत्ती होती है. This is stem. This is what? Stem. And under the soil क्या हो गई है? Roots. ठीक है? क्या हुई है ये? Roots. Okay. Very good. Fine. Don't make such mistakes. Okay. Now अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि plants बनते कैसे हैं, कैसे grow करते हैं. ठीक है? Now let's watch this video.
Plants. Plants are living things which grow from seeds of varying size. When we plant a seed and water,
Now we obtain plants from where? From a seed. हमने क्या किया? This is the soil और हमने इसमें क्या किया? एक seed. We placed a seed in it and we watered it. Now what happens? Let's see.
The outer hard covering of the seed will split apart and roots will sprout. Not only will these roots hold the plant firmly in the ground, but they will also pull in water and other minerals the plant needs for growth. Once the roots have taken hold, a stem will also emerge
Pay
from the
attention,
seed,
beta.
pushing up from the ground as a growing plant. The stem will keep the plant upright as it carries food to other parts of the plant. As the stem grows, new leaves will begin to appear. These leaves are green, capture sunlight, which will be used to make their food. Without sunlight, plants won't have food, meaning they won't grow.
Understood?
Yes.
What we did, we planted a seed. उसके बाद it developed into a sapling. उसके बाद वो और grow हुई और एक plant बन गया. But how did it happen? When we watered it, हमने water दिया and the nutrients were absorbed. ठीक है? Movement दिखाई थी ना अभी वीडियो में, वो upward movement में क्या हुआ, वो nutrients absorb हुए हैं and the plant grew. Now what happened if we don't water it? Water नहीं देंगे तो क्या होगा? It will get dry. It will not grow well.
These leaves are green, capture sunlight, which will be used to make their food. Without sunlight, plants won't have food, meaning they won't grow. After a few days, small buds will appear on the stem. These
are the
buds
buds.
will grow into beautiful flowers.
These grow into a
Plants grow into
flower
fruits containing the plant's seed.
Again what happened? From the flower we got the seed again. फिर से उस seed को हम grow sow करेंगे and then again the new plant will grow.
This planted and watered, we'll be able to grow another new plant.
We are repeating the process. Leave it.
Summary. Plants grow from seeds. The roots secure the plant in the ground while absorbing water and nutrients. The stem keeps the plant upright. Leaves make food by using sunlight. Flowers grow into fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Seeds will grow new baby plants. Flowers.
Now, what you have learned in the chapter? Few things. Let's summarize it. Now, plants grow from seeds. We have learned it is a seed. We sow it in the water and a new plant will germinate. Now, roots of the plants, they are inside the ground. They absorb the water and the nutrients. Okay? Now, stem. The function of stem is to keep the plant upright. सीधा रखना है ना. Now, leaves make food by using sunlight. By using sunlight, what we do? Leaves make the food. Now, flowers grow into fruits. Flowers किसमें grow कर जाते हैं? Fruits. And again we get the seeds out of that fruit. Okay? Next is, so now who will tell me what is a root? You tell me.
Root support plant.
Root support plants. And any other function? Yes.
Root is
Inside the soil. It's a part of the plant which is inside the soil. What is its main function?
Plant it takes the nutrients.
It absorbs the nutrients from the ground and send it to other parts of the plants. Now this is root. ये roots हैं.
Yes.
This is a plant. Again leaves. These are the leaves. Seeds. Now ये हमें fruit मिला and inside it we have the seeds which we can use again to grow a plant. Yes, correct. Okay, before we do it, just take out your notebook and the sheets which I have given. The sheet which I have given. Just write down your name. Write down your name, class, and the heading plant. Just draw a plant and write its different parts. Different parts कौन से लिखेंगे आप? Yes. Different parts. Yes. Yes. Any. Now you have to write the different parts, including what? Seeds को आप छोड़ देंगे. Leave the seeds. Yes. Fruits, roots, flowers, stem और leaves. ये आप लोग अभी बनाएंगे. हरी आप. Plants. Yes. Yes, like this. No. Just write down the different. Yes. You have to write the roots, fruit, flower, stem and leaves. See, before that, listen here. Before that, listen here. We have different parts and the names are given in the help box. What we have to do is we have to drag here the names and match it with their parts. Listen. So this is leaf. Where is it? Seed, fruit, leaf. Yes. Now this is flowers. Flower. Let's start. Okay. And this is no. This inside seeds. Yes, where's the seeds? Okay. Now this is fruit. This is the no. This is stem. Let's see if we have done correct or not. Fingers crossed.
Excellent.
Wow. Nice, huh? Good. Okay. Okay, now continue making it. Make it. Within 2 minutes, just make it quickly. Do it yourself. Yeah, you can. Yes. Yes. Nice. Everybody is doing nicely. Very good. You all are familiar with the plants, beta. You see a lot of plants in your daily life, right? Daily देखते तो हैं plants. Yes, you can make. Hurry up, be quick. Yes. Of course. Nice. See, some have made it. It's nice. Beautiful. Very good. Now let's come on. Now after this chapter, what will you do? What will you learn? If I ask some questions related to plants, will you be able to answer the questions?
Yes.
Right? Very simple. We have different types of plants. Some are big, some are small. The plants which are big, जो बड़े होते हैं, those plants are called trees. ठीक है? The plants which are small, those are plants ही होते हैं, but they have a different name. What? Herbs और shrubs बोलते हैं उनको. कुछ climbers और creepers भी होते हैं. We will discuss this in next chapter. ठीक है? अभी हम क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? The parts of the plants. जैसे हमारे पार्ट्स होते हैं eyes, ears, head, hands, legs. ऐसे क्या होते हैं? Different parts of the plants are there. Now, stand up, beta. You tell me. Leaves are generally green. Leaves generally are of green color. Dash are usually of many different colors. Leaves green होती हैं, but what do we have of different colors? Tell me. Flowers. Very good. Answer is flowers. Yes, correct. Good. Next is, see, this is the arrow. This is the arrow. Now name the part of the tree marked with the arrow. Arrow किस पर बना हुआ है? Which part is that? You tell.
Branches.
Branches. Let's see. These are roots. I think these are roots. नहीं है? Why?
Branches are leaves on the tree.
On the tree, and it's on the ground. Okay. Branches. Let's see if it's correct or not. Wow, it's correct. Nice. Sit. Now next is. Now, okay, you tell. What is shown in the picture? See.
Roots of a plant.
Roots of a plant. ऐसे ऐसे क्या? ये वाले कौन सा पार्ट होता है?
Roots.
This plant is roots. See the fingers like this. ये क्या होता है? कौन सा part of the plant? Roots. And these are inside the soil. Okay. It is roots of the plant. Correct. Again correct. Very good. You tell. Which of the following is a leaf? There's A, B, C or D. Leaf. Leaf.
C.
C. ये भी तो green color की है. This is also green color. I think this is leaf. No. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's correct. Why it is not a leaf? It is of green color. हमने पढ़ा है कि leaf तो green color की है. Yes. Every green thing is not a leaf. हर green चीज कोई leaf नहीं होगी. Generally leaves क्या होती हैं? Of green colors. This is a vegetable. Next is, which option correctly names plant parts? Wait, let me ask. Yes, you tell me. Wait, beta. B. Flowers and leaves. Okay. Yeah, this is also correct. Very good. Now, who will sing with me this again? This video? Who can sing? Let's summarize the video. ठीक है? Let's start again. We saw it.
Did you know that a plant is made up of parts just like our body? Plants have roots, a stem, leaves and flowers. Look at this rose plant here. These are its roots. They grow in the soil. This is the stem. It grows above the ground. In trees, the stem is green and is called a trunk.
Very good.
This is a leaf. Leaves can be of different shapes and sizes. This is a flower. Flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors.
Okay, now, which is your favorite flower? No, let me ask one by one.
Jasmine and Daisy.
Jasmine and Daisy. And what are their colors?
Daisy's color is white and Jasmine too.
Daisy is
White and
White.
Jasmine too.
and Jasmine is also white. And what do you? Why do you love them the most? Why do you like only these two flowers?
Because I love their smell.
You love their smell. You love the fragrance which they make. Okay, nice. Said. And which is your favorite tree? Mango tree. Why? Because it gives mangoes. Very nice, huh? Coconut tree. Good.
And banana tree.
Yes. And Acha, have you ever been to any beach? Yes, now tell me what different kind of plants you saw there.
Coconut tree.
Coconut tree. What are the shape of the leaves of coconut tree? Wait, let me come to you. What are the, yes. What is the shape? It's big. It's big. Yes. Number one. Number two.
Yes.
It has a, yes. It has a strong trunk. Okay. Yeah, correct. Anybody else? Yes.
Coconut tree stem is trunk is very strong and thick.
Acha. Okay. Do you think there are plants जिनकी stem हो ही ना? Have you ever thought of this? Yes. Sorry. नहीं. I know a plant. I know a plant which can stand erect, but it doesn't have stem. No. Potato? No. I know a plant. It's banana tree. Banana plant. Actually क्या होता है? Banana में क्या होता है? It doesn't have a stem. Actual में proper stem नहीं होती है. What does it have? उसकी leaves ही क्या होती हैं? They are packed in such a way that it stands erect. खड़ा होता है वो सीधा. It doesn't fall and it's a very strong plant also. Strong होता है that banana tree. Okay, fine. Now again.
Your game. You will hear the name of a plant part.
Now let's play a
Click
game.
that part on both plants. Click the leaves of these plants and then click done.
Now we are asked. This is a game. I will tell you the name of a plant, part of a plant, and you have to touch that part. Since you can't touch it, I will touch it, but you just show me the sign where to touch, okay? Without making noise, just tell it very nicely. Now, first one is leaves. Yes. This one. Is this a leaf?
No.
No. This one.
Yes.
Leaf? Are you sure?
No.
No. These are the leaves. The green part is the leaf. Now, in this plant, white part is the leaf. No. This green part is the leaf. हमें leaf ही तो touch करनी थी, leaves. So in this is the leaf, and in this, these are the leaves. Next is
Well done.
the roots? Keep the roots of these plants.
Underground. Very good. This is the root. And this is also one by one.
Ground.
Yes.
Get water for the plant. Now
I will
get the
ask the
stems of
question.
these plants.
You tell. Stems. These stems है ये तो strong है बहुत. Yes, still it is a stem. क्या पढ़ा था? We have learned that stem can be very strong, जिनको हम trunk बोलते हैं. These are in a tree, part of a tree. Next, stems. Stem ये भी होगी, stem ये भी होगा. भले ही thin, but it's a stem. Correct. Nice.
Long, stalk-like part of the plant that grows above the ground. The stem of the tree is very large and is called a trunk.
Okay, so rest. We'll discuss in next class. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you.